Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, August 11, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. Got a ton of calls to make today.
I feel you. I've got a big meeting to plan for later.
Oh, meetings. Always a blast. Hey, at least we've got this coffee break to chill for a bit.
Yeah, it's the best part of the morning. So, what's new with you?
Same old. Just trying to hit my sales targets. Oh wait, did you hear about that new trade deal with some countries?
Yeah, I saw a headline about it. What's the story?
It's a huge agreement between the US and like 5 other places. They're cutting tariffs down a lot.
That sounds like a big deal. It could change things for a lot of businesses, right?
Oh, for sure. I'm hoping it means cheaper products for me to sell.
That would help your sales numbers. But I wonder if it's good for everyone, or just the big companies.
Yeah, didn't think of that. I just want more deals to close, you know?
I get it. In my projects, I might see some changes too if costs go down.
Let's hope it's good news for us. I could use a boost this quarter.
Same here. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out.
Yeah, keep an eye on it. Hey, speaking of work, did you hear about that new app everyone's buzzing about?
No, which one? I'm always looking for tools to make life easier.
It's called TaskFlow, I think. They say it helps manage work tasks super fast.
Oh, I think I saw something about that. Is it really that good?
Apparently, it saves you like 2 hours a day. I'm gonna download it after this coffee.
2 hours? That's a lot. Does it work with the systems we use here?
I'm not sure yet. I'll test it out and tell you if it's worth it.
Please do. Managing tasks is basically my whole job.
Yeah, you're the master of keeping things on track. If it works, we'll all owe you one.
I just hope it's better than the messy spreadsheets I'm stuck with now.
Oh, I hate those too. Anything to make work smoother is a win in my book.
Totally. Technology can be such a help when it works, right?
Yeah, when it doesn't crash on you. I've had my computer freeze like 3 times this week already.
That's the worst. I had to restart mine yesterday during a deadline.
Technology. Can't live with it, can't live without it. Hey, on a lighter note, did you hear about that movie breaking all the records?
Which one? I'm not up to date with movies.
It's called Sky High 3. They say it made over 100 million in just 3 days.
Wow, that's huge. Is it worth watching?
I haven't seen it yet, but everyone's talking about it. It's supposed to be packed with action.
I like a good action movie. Maybe I'll check it out if I get some free time.
Same here. I need something fun after a long day of sales calls. It's nice to hear about something doing so well.
Yeah. It's a nice change from all the heavy news out there. Sometimes you just need a break.
Exactly. Just switch off and enjoy a good story. I might even drag a friend to see it with me.
That sounds fun. I used to love going to the movies with friends back in the day.
Oh, me too. Nothing beats popcorn and a big screen.
So true. It's been a while since I've done that.
Well, maybe this movie is the excuse we need. Let me know if you watch it.
I will. I'll probably read a few reviews first, though.
Haha, always planning ahead, huh? That's why you're the project manager.
Guilty as charged. I like to know what I'm getting into.
Fair enough. Hey, I better get back to my desk before the boss starts looking for me.
Yeah, me too. I've got a pile of emails waiting.
Email's the never-ending story. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. Catch you later.
See you at the coffee machine tomorrow. Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. Take it easy.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.